Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to find the option and how to turn off our pattern screen lock or any other screen lock in Motorola Edge 50 Neo phone. So right now, when we turn on our phone, we have a pattern that locks our screen. How to delete it or how to change it for something other. So first we need to open settings. Then in settings, we are looking for security and privacy, then device lock, and here we have our screen lock. So right now, as you can see, we have pattern option. To change this option, first we need to unlock this function by using the same pattern that we have on our screen. And now we can change for PIN, password, swipe, etc. or turn it off. And now the screen lock is off. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.